Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some of my Instagram followers slime that they sent me. So let's just get on to the video. So the first slime that they sent me is some cloud slime. But it's in a FLARP container because they said they didn't have another container. So I don't have another lamp, so I'm just using my phone till I try it up. Because my videos are mostly dark, so I'm just putting my phone like in this part. So I'm just gonna put it I think I need it to use my teeth to open it. That was easier than I thought. Oh, don't get out. Get out. So this is the slime they sent me. And this is cloud slime, if you can't see. I think it's teal since I'm putting it in the camera. And so that's the color that it is. They just put it in the FLARP container, or I think this is FLARP. Or I think it's just a FLARP container. So just put this back in the container. Oh my god. I think if I just go oh no. Can't see. Okay, this is FLARP. Put this back in the container. Okay. The next slime in the package was this pink slime. This is another FLARP container. Why do you guys keep on sending me FLARP containers? Oh god. Oh, the next one is not a FLARP container. Hope the next one is not a FLARP container. So the next one's hard. This is hard. Oh, this one smells so bad. Here, smell. Smell. Yeah. Yeah, so that smells so bad. I thought this would be edible. I think this is edible. Okay, wait. Oh my god. Okay, so that tastes so bad, which it said do not eat, but I accidentally. So the next one is another FLARP container. Okay. Yeah. What's that? Okay. Got it. Okay, so here's the next one. The next one is also a blue in a FLARP container. I think these are all FLARPs. Oh, this one is not a FLARP. Okay. I have so many FLARPs on my... I'm sorry. I have lots of slimes I don't put in my videos. This is awesome. This is some awesome slime. Okay, so they sent me. They said it is unicorn slime because they put some unicorn sparkles, but you can't see it, but you can feel it. Feel it? You feel it. Okay. That's really crunchy. If you don't know who I'm giving this to, I'm giving this to my friend. She's right there in the corner, but I don't want to show you her. Awesome. She's helping me out with my videos. Sometimes she helps me out in my videos. Awesome. Oh my god, I have a stain in my table. So many stains in my table. Okay. So, they said that this is unicorn slime, which I really love. I hope the next one is some pretty slime, like fishbowl slime or something like that. So the next one in the package. Okay, so here's the next one. And this is another flirt. Why do you guys keep on saying me flirts? Oh my god. Okay. So the next one, it says, to Janiyha from Elizabeth. Okay, thanks Elizabeth. And she said she lives in New Orleans. And she said she loves my videos. Thank you. When she sent me a hard slime, Elizabeth, I'm sorry, but I don't like your slime. I love the color, and there's no hair inside the slime. Okay, yeah, there's a few hairs inside the slime that you put in the slime. I think this is hairy slime, that's why. I think that's why she put the hair in the slime. Okay, I'm gonna talk to her. Hello? Yeah. Okay, yeah. After we hear talk about. She said it's hairy slime. That's why she put in this hair all the way. I see over there. That's me standing in the mirror. What's that nasty spin around my neck? That's cool. And it looked like this is bumpy slime. Okay, next one. So I'm also going to be showing you guys the first slime I made when I was 4. Okay. Okay, come on, get out. So this is a one. This is also some cloud slime. Okay. Okay. So here's the next one. I think I only made blue slimes. That's really weird. Okay, I'll just keep it like that. So this is the slime I made. I love this slime. It's cloud slime. Okay. So I think that is the end of today's slime, my Instagram slime video. So I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.